Good morning. Today I will give you your English assignment for today, where we'll be working on pages 50 and 51 in your Spelling Station book. So go ahead and get your Spelling Station book and open up to page 50. Page 50 and page 51 talk about the diphthongs OI and OY. OI and OY both make the sound OI. Okay, OI is most often found in the middle of a syllable. For example, coil. You can see that OI is in the middle of the word. Point, join. OI can also be found at the beginning of a syllable. For example, in the word oil, oink, and ointment. Normally, OY is most often found at the end of a syllable. For example, in the word toy, joy, and annoy. Let's head to your word bank on page 50. So our station rule is OY is used at the end of words and at the end of syllables. Here are the words in our word bank. Boy, toy, enjoy, annoy, joy, roy, royal, enjoyed, annoyed, and overjoyed. You can see that the OY comes at the end of the syllable in all the words. In enjoyed, annoyed, and overjoyed, it comes at the end of the root word and then has the suffix ed because it's in the past. Let's take a look at the word bank on page 51. Our words in the word bank are oil, join, coin, point, soil, boil, spoil, toilet, joint, like your knee joint or your elbow joint, and avoid.